Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you're loving my fashionable look with my cool bucket hat, this is from PIOKNGY, and I really love this bucket hat. It's so much fun. My daughter asked me for it, but I've been borrowing it quite a bit because it is such a fun and easy to wear hat. This hat is made out of a lightweight fabric. It's really easy to wipe clean. It's bright and colorful, and the coolest part about it is that it's completely reversible. So on one side it is just the plain, and then on the other side it has this really cute vibrant pattern. I chose the corgi pattern, and you can see that it's super colorful. I really also like that the hat is a roomy size, but it's not too big. Basically one size fits all, but the hat really provides a lot of great coverage for sun protection. Bucket hats are so cool because really they never go out of style, and if you're looking for something that's going to give you not only a super cute look but also some great protection from the sun being in your eyes, you will love this hat. It is so fun to wear, and I love its reversible feature. And that's my point of view.